All right, guys, so there are two mistakes that all new traders make. All new investors make the same mistake over and over and over. I'm going to tell you exactly what they are so that you can start understanding what you're doing wrong. You could change it, implement a new plan, and stop losing as much money as you are. All right, guys, I'm going to outline the two main mistakes that traders make. And if you don't take these into consideration when you're trading, you're going to constantly lose money over and over and over until you finally say, trading ain't for me, because trading is for everybody. The first mistake, you listen to everybody. When somebody gives you a stock tip, you jump right on it and you throw all your money into it, right? Why? Nobody cares about your money, only you. I don't even care about your money. I'm trying to make a channel to give you tips because I've been burnt so many times, and if I can save somebody else from going through what I went through, then it's going to be worth it, okay? And maybe along the way I can monetize this channel too, just being dead honest with you, all right? So number one, stop listening to everybody, because the truth of the matter is, if your parents haven't told you, nobody's going to come to your fucking house, sit down in front of your computer, type in tickers, tell you when to buy, tell you when to sell, tell you when the right options or buy options. Nobody's going to do that. You know who's going to do that for you? You. So get off the couch, get off your phone, get off the PlayStation, open a damn book, watch some good YouTube channels. There's plenty of them out there that'll tell you how to do it, like this one here. Read the book, understand what you're reading, listen and comprehend, and then you'll start being able to do it yourself. If you want to change your life, you're the only one that's going to be able to do it, okay? The life that you want is right on the other side of the shit that you don't want to do. That's number one. Number two, there's emotions that drive the stock market. There's two of them. There's always been only two of them, and there's always going to only be two of them, and that is fear and greed. You get fearful when the stock price starts to drop and you sell out. Maybe for good reason, maybe sometimes it ain't a good reason, but you sell to lose money. And then greed. You're in profit, but you think that you can get more profit. So you hang on to that stock until finally those profits turn into losses. You need to master your emotions and know when to get in and know when to get out. Don't be greedy and don't be overly fearful. As Warren Buffett says, when you're purchasing stocks, if it's a good company with good, strong fundamentals, you be greedy when other people are fearful and be fearful when other people are greedy, because the greed is what makes these big bubbles, and when they pop, the stock market goes down and people get fearful until they capitulate and it bounces back. So master those emotions, and I promise you, you're going to start being a good trader. But you need to realize when you're being overly fearful and overly greedy. There's a saying in the stock market that holds true, and I'll always remember it. Bears make money, bulls make money, pigs will always get slaughtered. So look, open a book, read a chapter, find a good channel like this one, understand what the content creator is trying to tell you, try to put those into motion, and hopefully you'll be a better trader. Until next time, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below.